Hello, everyone. This is Diane Zimmerman, the powerful biz woman. And thank you so much for tuning into the Ultimate Business Conversation. And today, what we're going to talk about is how to protect your business assets. I cannot address this more and more because we're getting stories and stories about individuals, who have not done what they needed to do to protect their business assets. And please forgive me, I'm trying to get the lighting a little better so you can see me. But today we're going to focus on how to protect your business assets, because there's a lot of people out there who are building these empires, like in the entertainment field, the sports field, the business world, but they're not protecting their business assets. And God forbid, if something happens to them, their family loses out on everything. And the issue that's coming up is, how do you protect your business assets? I want to give you an example like Chadwick Boseman, the young man that he played Thurgood Marshall, he played Black Panther. And the sad thing is that he did not have a will. And what happened by him not having a will, his estate was worth about, I think, $5 million or a little bit more. The sad thing that happened was that the state took like almost $1 million, probate court, and then the probate attorneys, they took almost like 1.5 million, and that only left his family about 2.5 million of his estate because he didn't have a will. So that's why I'm really, really harping on this topic, to educate you on how to protect your business assets, because it's not just about you. It's about your loved ones, because you want to leave something for your loved ones. You just don't want to be in business and make a whole lot of money and then wind up having nothing at all. So today we're going to talk about how to put some legal systems and financial systems in place to not only protect yourself, but also to protect your family as well. Because it's very important for you to protect your family, not just you. It's not about you when you're running a business. It's also about your family as well. And you want to make sure that you do everything you can to make sure that you leave a legacy for your family. That's what you want to do. So today we're going to focus on how to protect your family from losing everything when it comes to your business. And this is for anybody. I really want to talk about, especially in the Black community, we don't talk about having a will. We don't talk about having estate planning or anything. We'll just be like, I'm going to live forever. Everything's going to be fine. And then the sad thing is, you see friends putting up GoFundMe campaigns to pay for someone's funeral because nobody is protecting their assets. But I really want to talk to business owners, because it's very important for you to really, really think about how to protect your business assets and your personal assets. Because God forbid, if something happens to you, you want to make sure that your family has a good succession plan or exit strategy when it comes to your business. And you got to look at your business as real estate. A lot of business owners don't understand that when you're running a business, it's real estate. Your business is real estate. So I'm going to go ahead and type that in. It's your real estate, and you got to do everything you can to protect your real estate. Because think about it, you do everything you can to protect your house, so that if something happens to you, your family still has your house and you still have your house. So you got to understand that your business is your real estate. It's just like, but see your business as your house. You make sure that you put things in place for your house. You make sure you have someone on your deed. So when you get older, Social Security can't come and take your house if you have to go to a nursing home or something like that. So you do everything. You make sure you have homeowners insurance for your house. You make sure you have all kinds of things for your house. You make sure that you keep your house updated, that you keep it fixed, that you renovate it, and you should be doing the same thing for your business. Your business should be like your house. See your business as your house. That's very important, because I think once you start seeing it as real property, as your house, because when you are running a business, you are protecting your intellectual property. So you see your business as your house. And it's an extension, because what you're doing is you're trying to build a legacy, a financial legacy for your family as a business owner. You go into business to help people, to assist people, to solve people problems, but you also go into business to have that financial freedom that you always wanted, to make sure that you're able to provide for your family, with a business, because you don't want to work. A lot of people do not like working for other people. So they go into business for themselves, but they fail to realize that as a business owner, you are the CEO. Just like when you work for an employer, that employer made sure they had all kinds of financial systems and legal systems in place to protect their business, so that you could work and you could be productive for them. They didn't just start a business and didn't have anything in place to protect themselves. And do you know that a lot of your employers, if God forbid, if you get sick or if you die, do you know that they have insurance on you? Because they want to recoup the productivity that you provide to their business. Let me say that again. A lot of businesses will have insurance on their employees if something happens to their employees, because they want to recoup the productivity that they lose, the money that they lose if you die or if you get injured and you can no longer work. So they will make sure they have insurance. So why don't you protect your business like your employee protects their business? And all of us have one time worked with someone, and you should understand that as an employer, you have to protect your business. So you need to get rid of that employee mindset. You cannot have the employee mindset can't work when you're running your business. So you got to get rid of that employee mindset, thinking that everybody else is going to take care of everything when it comes to your business. You are the one that has to take care of your business. You are the one that has to make sure that you put all the legal systems in place and financial systems in place to protect your business. It's very, very important that you do that. And it's very, very important that you understand what it means to be in business. We need to stop just thinking about making money when it comes to your business, getting the clients when it comes to your business, because you can make all the money you want. You can get all the clients you want, but if your business is not legally and financially protected, it could just go under you. Look what happened to Chadwick Boseman. So his estate, his wife had to split half of his estate with the government and with lawyers. The government and lawyers, probate court and the probate lawyers took half of his money, of his estate. His estate was about $5 million. So they took $2.5 million. And then she had to split it with his parents, because he did not have a will. And this is why I'm harping on this. This is topics. The Ultimate Biz Consultants, we get to the nitty gritty. We talk about topics that you business owners don't want to talk about. You don't want to get an attorney. You don't want to get an accountant. You don't want to get an insurance agent to help you create those legal systems and financial systems that can protect your business assets. All you want to worry about is, I want to make money, revenue. It's not just about money. It's not just about the customers. You can have all the wonderful products and services. People can be buying them. But if you get that one customer or client that is not happy, and they decide to sue you, and you don't have an attorney of record, you don't have legal systems in place and financial systems in place, you're in trouble. And don't sit up there and say, oh, I cannot be sued. People file frivolous lawsuits every day. When I was a practicing attorney, I would have to defend my clients against frivolous lawsuits a lot, especially when my clients had, a lot of the clients that I dealt with, they were handymen or construction, electricians, and they were running a home business. And some of them had legal systems in place to protect their business, and some of them didn't. The ones that had it, they were able to defend themselves with the lawsuit. The ones who didn't, they were in trouble. Their personal assets got attached, they got a lien on their house, got a lien on their bank account, and then that messed them up. It was hard for them to make money, and a lot of them, their family depended on their business as a means of income. You need to stop being afraid. Stop running away from being responsible legally and financially when it comes to your business. On your business dream team, you should have a lawyer, a tax professional, and an insurance agent. These are the three people that can help you create those legal systems and financial systems that you need to protect your business assets, because you want to leave a legacy for your family. You don't want to leave them in debt. You don't want to leave them confused when it comes to your business. You want to create systems so that if something happens to you, if you get sick, if you die, your family knows what to do when it comes to your business. They know either to sell it because you have a will, you have an exit strategy plan, or you have a succession plan. And you have created these plans and a legal plan. You have an attorney. You let your spouse know who your attorney is, who the insurance agent is, who is your tax professional, so that they can reach out to these people and say, hey, my wife or my husband are sick or they died. I need your help settling their business affairs. And it can be done easily. This is very important for you to do. You need to stop just concerning yourself about money, 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 clients, 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 and concern yourself about how your business will be sustainable, how your business will leave a legacy, financial legacy for your family, how you're going to make sure that your family is not stuck with the bill, is stuck with trying to figure out what to do with your business assets. That's what you want to do. You want to make sure that you have systems in place so that if something happens to you, your business can keep going with you or without you. If you get sick, you need to have systems in place just in case the doctor tells you you cannot work in your business for 6 months. You need to take a rest. Your business can continue to generate revenue, continue to get clients, continue to make sure that your clients and customers, their needs are being met. So you need to put these systems in place to protect your business, because you're not going to be in a position forever to run your business. There will become a time where you may want to sell your business. You may want to pass it on to a loved one, or you may want to shut it down. That's why you need to have some legal systems and financial systems in place. You need to think, plan, and implement those plans. You need to have a backup plan when it comes to your business. You need to have a plan when it comes to what will I do next? Am I going to be in business forever? Or am I going to be in business for a certain number of years? And I need to make sure I have systems in place. You need to create a legal plan, a financial plan, and an exit strategy plan, and a succession plan. When I talk about a legal plan, I'm talking about how are you legally protecting your business? What steps have you taken to protect your business? That's what a legal plan is. A legal plan states clearly what are you doing to protect your business. So let me write this down. This is the first plan you need, is a legal plan. So this is a plan that lets people know what you are doing to protect your business assets and your business as a whole. So that's the first plan that you need. That's the first system that you need to protect your business is, what are you doing to protect your business as a whole? What are you doing to protect your business as a whole? So that's the first important thing you need to do, is you need to have a legal plan, which is a plan that states how you are protecting your business assets and your business as a whole. Then you need to figure out how long you're going to be in business. How long will you be in business? That's another thing you need to figure out. And with that, you need to figure out, you need to create a exit strategy. You need to figure out how long will you be in business. And with that, you need an exit strategy. Exit strategy plan for your business. And this type of plan So with an exit strategy plan, it helps you determine these questions. With an exit strategy plan for your business, that helps you determine how you're going to end your business. Will you sell your business, pass it on, or close it completely? So you need an exit strategy plan. You need a legal plan that focuses on how you're going to protect your business assets. An exit strategy plan helps you determine how you're going to end your business. Either you're going to sell it, pass it on, or close it completely. And the succession plan is when it sort of goes one in one with an exit strategy plan. Succession plan is when you decide how you're going to pass that business on. You're going to pass it on to a loved one or someone else. So that's what a succession plan is. It's like your business is going to continue without you. So you're going to pass it on to a loved one or someone else that you trust, who can help your business continue to go. Think about McDonald's, Ron Kroc. McDonald's is continuing without him. He had a succession plan. He knew that if something happened to him, McDonald's can continue. Look at Wendy's, the same way. Dave had a succession plan. He made sure that Wendy's was still around even if he died. Walmart, these big major companies, you need to look at what they're doing, because they have an exit strategy plan. They have legal plans. They have succession plans that their business will keep going even when they're gone. So you need to think about that. You need to really, really think about what will happen to my business after I'm gone. What will happen to my employees? What will happen to my business partners? What will happen to my family after I'm gone? How long do I want to be in business? Do I want to be in business forever? So you need to create a plan to figure out what can I do if I want to just run my business for 15 years? What can I do to make sure that my business continues to make money for my family when I'm no longer around? What can I do to make sure that my business can be a good retirement source for me while I'm in retirement? Even though I'm not working my business as the CEO any longer, I am still generating money, income from my business and my retirement. So you need to come up with these. You need to sit down and talk to an attorney, insurance agent, your tax professional, and a financial planner to figure out what do I need to do legally and financially to protect my business right now while I'm in it from frivolous lawsuits, from partnerships that go wrong, from clients who are not satisfied. What can I do now to legally protect my business? That's where the legal plan comes in. And then you need to think about, do I want to continue to be a business consultant, business coach, website developer in 15 years? And then you need to figure out, what is my exit strategy? How can I legally and financially protect myself when I decide to either close my business, pass it on to a family member, or sell it? What is my exit strategy? And if you decide to say, well, I want the business to stay in the family, and I want one of my loved ones to continue to run the business, so you need to think about a succession plan. When you are running a business, you have to be smart. You have to use your brain. And a lot of people don't use their brain when they're running the business. All they worry about is creating new products and services for their customers, making sure they get the money. They don't trademark anything that they create. They're not incorporating, or if they're incorporated, they don't keep their incorporation status up. They just, like, everything is all willy-nilly. Nobody cares about this. Nobody wants to talk about this. Oh, I don't want to talk about this. I've given proposals to conferences, to events, to talk about this topic. Oh, we don't really want to scare our attendees, our audience. We're not about that. We want to be happy, happy, happy. But then nobody wants to talk about, the legal and financial part of being a business. People rarely talk about this. Attorneys find it hard to get people to really focus on this. Tax professionals like accountants, IRS enrolled agents, bookkeepers it's really difficult for them to get their clients to really focus on creating a financial plan for their business. And financial planners find it very difficult to help business owners prepare for retirement, because all people focused on is how to keep getting money, how to keep getting clients. But then you don't focus on, what are you going to do? Because you're not going to be in business forever. Eventually, you're going to have to close your business. Eventually, something may happen where you have to close your business, and then you don't have an exit strategy plan, you don't have a legal plan, and you don't have a succession plan. These are the financial and legal systems that you need to create for yourself. You need to start thinking, not just about your products and services, not just about your customers. You need to really take care of your business. You need to give your business the tender, loving care that it needs. And what it needs is for you to create legal systems and financial systems to keep it afloat, to keep it moving forward, to keep it going. You can't just say, I'm going to make money. And you need to create a financial plan for the money that you're making, because you got to reinvest into your business. You got to save for retirement. You got to make sure you make enough money to cover your personal debts as well as your business debts. But at the same time, you want to make enough money where you can leave something for your family. Stop being afraid to talk about the legal and financial aspects of being a business. It's nothing to be afraid of that. When you build your business on a strong legal and financial foundation, your business can sustain anything. If you get sick and your doctor tells you that you cannot work your business for a certain period of time, if you have legal systems and financial systems in place, your business can continue to make money for you. Your business can keep going while you rest and take care of yourself. If you focus on the legal and financial aspects of being in business, and you say, I only want to run my business for 10 years and then I want to just do something else, and you have an exit strategy plan ready, you know what you're going to do, you know who you're going to sell it to or leave it to, or how you're going to close it, how you're going to sell all of your intellectual property, how you're going to sell your products and services, because you created that plan, you can just smoothly close out your business without any hassle or any stress. That's why you need to make sure you have legal systems and financial systems in place to protect your business assets. Being a business owner requires you to be intelligent, to make intelligent moves, to make intelligent plans. Being in business is just not going out there taking a photo shoot, talking about your products and services all of the time, reaching out, doing social media all the time. Being a true business owner also means that you need to get down to the nitty gritty, where you need to build your impact team, as Dr. Leroy McKenzie say, and as I say, your business dream team. You need to be talking to your attorney on a continuous basis, updating your legal plan, updating your business plan, updating your exit strategy plan, your succession plan, your financial plan. You need to be meeting with your tax professionals, your bookkeeper, your financial planner, your certified public accountant, your IRS enrolled agent, so you can understand the tax ramifications of being a business, so that you can understand what it means to be a business owner in the eyes of the IRS, so you can understand what will be the tax ramifications if I close my business for 10 years. What will be the tax ramifications if I decide to sell my business? The tax ramifications if I decide to just close it and sell all of my business inventory. Then you need to meet with your insurance agent to figure out what insurance policies are out there to protect my business partners, protect my customers, protect my family if God forbid something happens to me. You need to understand what this disability insurance is, like AFLAC, what a buy and sell agreement insurance is. That's something like if something happens to your business partner, or you die, or your business partner die, or something health-wise happens to you where you can no longer run the business, or you're gone, the business can keep going on and your family will be protected. If you have a certain type of insurance, I don't know what it's called, but you talk to an insurance agent. I think it's buy and sell insurance, something like that. So if something happens to your business partner, you have this insurance where you can buy out the family, buy them out of their share of your business, of what you own, your share of the business, and the business can keep going and your family is financially protected. You need to think about these things, and you need to stop being afraid to talk about this. It's time for you to really, really grow up when it comes to your business, because a lot of business owners are not growing up. They're not doing what they need to do to protect their business. They don't want to talk to an attorney. They don't want to talk to an accountant. They think they can do everything by themselves. You cannot. You need to have an attorney on your business dream team. You need to create your business dream team. You need a business dream team to protect your business assets. You need them. And stop being afraid to talk to an attorney. Attorney does not cost a whole lot of money when you go to them before you have a problem. The problem is when you wait till the last minute after you being sued for something, or you done got yourself in some legal trouble, and then you want an attorney to help you out. You need a business dream team to protect your business assets. And to be on that business, you need an attorney. These are the three main people you should have on your business dream team: attorney, tax professional, and insurance agent. These are the three people that will protect your business for you from a legal and financial standpoint. So these are the people you need on your business dream team. These are the first people that you should talk to, is an attorney, tax professional, insurance agent, because they can help you put legal systems and financial systems in place. An attorney will give you all the documentation you need. They will help you with your legal plan, your exit strategy, your succession plan, whatever plans you need to protect your business legally, they will do that. A tax professional will help you with the same thing, part of the legal plan, succession plan, financial plan. They will get you financially protected. An insurance agent kind of does both, because they will look at your legal plan, look at your financial plan, and determine what types of insurances you need. So with an insurance agent, you create an insurance plan. So that's another thing. So you need your legal plan, your financial plan, and an insurance plan. So the three types of plans you need are insurance plan, legal plan, and financial plan to legally and financially protect your business. So these are the 3 plans that you need. And that's why you need an insurance agent, an attorney, in the tax profession, because you need to create an insurance plan, legal plan, and financial plan. These are the systems that you need in place to protect your business legally and financially. And stop being afraid to talk about this. Attorneys do not cost a lot of money. Insurance agents do not cost a lot of money. Tax accountants like an IRS enrolled agent or a certified accountant bookkeeper, they don't cost a lot of money. I'd rather invest money in the beginning than invest money in the end. Because that's what happened to me with my law practice. I didn't take the time to create a legal plan, insurance plan, a financial plan, because I wasn't taught that as a lawyer. All we were taught was how to be a lawyer, but we weren't taught the business part of it. And I am so grateful that business law attorneys now are being taught how to be business owners, not just be a lawyer. You just don't want to be a business coach, life coach, graphic website developer. You want to be a business owner as well. You want to know what you are doing. You want to know how to protect your business assets. So now what I'm going to do is I'm play a few videos for you so that you can see why it's important to protect your business assets. Why it's important to do that. So here's a short video about how to protect your business assets. Once. And these are different coverages that you can have. That's why it's important for you to talk to an insurance agent. Great, like a limited partnership, corporation, limited liability company. And then this is a good one, create an asset protection trust. And this is a real good video, and I'm going to show you another video of how to protect, how to protect your assets. I'm trying to find, I had a short video. I don't want a long one. I can play a few of this. I'm not going to play all of this.
Hey guys, Toby Mathis here with Anderson Business Advisors. And today we're going to be talking about how to keep your assets safe from lawyers, Snoops, and Uncle Sam. Those are the big ones.
Before we jump into that, I really want to take a 10,000-foot
view of what asset protection is and what it isn't.
Asset protection
to me is more than just picking your favorite flavor of asset protection. For example, a domestic asset protection trust, and that's the key you play on the keyboard. Everything's a domestic asset protection trust. Or let's say you love LLCs. LLC. You're trying to get an LLC to do something that it wasn't designed to do. Or you're trying to get a domestic asset protection trust to do something it wasn't designed to do.
At the end of the day, we like to
play chords
and use
the appropriate entity
for the appropriate
type of asset.
And more importantly, we apply it to your circumstance. For example, say you're in Texas, and you own your house outright.
Some asset protection attorney says,
creditor's going to come and try to take that away from you. We've got to put it in a trust, and we got to put an LLC as the beneficiary.
We got to do all this stuff.
Hold on for a second.
Time out.
You live in the house. Texas is an unlimited homestead exclusion state. Like that's not why you'd be doing that. You might be doing something along the lines of maybe a trust for estate planning. Maybe you're doing it to create a legacy. Maybe you're doing it to get your name off of it. But the last thing you need to be worried about is the equity of that property. What you don't want to do is undo the protections that are already there. So whenever somebody's looking at asset protection, it can't be this one size fits all because it doesn't work. What does work is facts and circumstances and using the right tool to get the job done. So let's take a really far back look and let's talk about what actually works in asset protection. So I've had tens of thousands of clients all over the country. We've been in litigation where there's been upwards of close to $100 million, actually $96 million judgments. There's been cases where we're able to thwart large pursuits. We got it down to almost zero. And the best ones never even occurred because nobody knew the assets existed. And I've come to believe that's the best route to go. It's great to have a protection plan that's going to work under pressure. It should. But let's avoid the pressure if we can. And I call that security through obscurity. So I'm going to make that a main point. It's called security.
And the main point I wanted you to realize from this is that, like the gentleman was saying, you have to meet with somebody and you have to plan out stuff. You have to really plan out how you're going to protect your business. That's why you need to meet with an insurance agent, an attorney, and a tax professional, your financial planner, so you can create an insurance plan, a legal plan, and a financial plan. And these are the systems, the legal and financial systems that you need to put in place. Like he said, LLC does not work for everybody, so you can't just go and do an LLC because everybody's doing an LLC. Certain insurances may not work for your business because you have a different business from someone else. That's why you need to consult with the three main people that should be on your business dream team or your impact team: attorney, tax professional, insurance agent, because they will sit down with you. They will critique your business. They will do a diagnosis. Like when you go take your car to get fixed by a repairman, the first thing he does a diagnosis of your car to see what is the problem so that they can figure out the best plan to repair it, the best repair plan. So that's why it's important for you to meet with someone like me, the Ultimate Biz Consultants, because we can sit down with you and give you diagnostics to tell you who do you need to meet with, who do you need to connect, and then we can connect you with the right people, with the attorneys. We have attorneys on our Rolodex. We have tax professionals and insurance agents. We are not just educators. We are connectors, and we help you figure out your plans, because you need to have these plans in place to protect your business. Stop worrying about the clients, the money. They will always come. You will always generate money for your business. But if you don't protect your wealth, if you don't protect what you have, you're going to wind up going out of business. And that's a serious thing. Stop focusing on just your products and services, attracting the right paying customers, and how much money you're going to make. That's very important. But if you don't legally and financially protect your business, you're going to be in trouble. So you need to really focus on that. So these are a few things. You need an attorney, tax professional, and insurance agent on your business dream team, because they will help you create the insurance plan, the legal plan, and the financial plan to legally and financially protect your business asset. Why are you going to start a business and you say, I want to have financial freedom for myself and my family, and then you get that one customer that files that frivolous lawsuit against you? You don't have a legal plan in place to protect you. You don't have a financial plan in place just in case something happens with this lawsuit. And then you don't have insurance to cover yourself. So then when this client sues you, you don't have an attorney, you don't have professional liability insurance, negligence insurance, product liability insurance, no type of insurance, you don't have a financial plan, and then this customer sues you, and then they win a loss, they get a judgment, they attach your house, your car, and then you're up the creek because you have this judgment. It'll be hard for you to get other customers. It will be difficult for you to rebuild. But if you had product liability, professional liability insurance, you had an attorney on record, you had a financial plan ready just in case this happened. And even if that client gets a judgment, by you having professional liability insurance, your insurance will pay for that lawsuit. The worst that can happen is your premium goes up. Your attorney will defend you and make sure that even if they win, they don't win a lot of money. And then you have a financial plan in place where you had like 6 months worth of money saved up for situations like this, and you're fine because you built your business on a strong legal and financial foundation. You made sure that your business had the legal systems and financial systems in place. This is all I wanted to tell you, to make sure that you have what it takes to protect your business. For one thing, you need to stop acting like an employee of your business and act like you are the boss, because a boss will do what they need to do. They will create those legal systems. They will create those financial systems to protect their business. You need to have a legal plan. A legal plan states how you are going to protect your business assets and your business as a whole. Then you need to figure out how long do you plan to stay in business. And that's where exit strategy comes. It helps you determine how you are going to end your business. Will you sell your business, pass it on, or close it completely? And then you need to have a succession plan. That's part of the exit strategy. Because if you plan to make sure your business keeps going while you're gone, you need to figure out how you're going to pass your business on to a loved one or someone else. You need to have systems in place. And then you need to create your business dream team to protect your business asset. And the three main people that should be on your business dream team is an attorney, tax professional, and insurance agent, because they will help you create these three plans: insurance plan, legal plan, and financial plan. And this is all I've really wanted to talk about, is how to protect, how to put those legal systems and financial systems in place to protect your business, because that's very, very important. You have to protect your business. You cannot be in business and not have a strong legal and financial foundation. And if you are still confused about that, what is she talking about? You can subscribe to our blog, our monthly blog. All you got to do is go to www.ultimatebizconference.com, then hit the subscription button, because we have a lot of resources that we share with our website subscribers and our email subscribers. But if you still say, I need to have a discussion with you, Danya, we can do a complimentary 20-minute strategy session to figure out what's going on with your legal systems. Do you have any legal systems or financial systems in place? We can do a diagnostics to see and tell you, what you need to do, how you need to fix it, and help you there. So we can do that as well. So all you gotta do is go to Calendly, Ultimate Biz Consultants, cover your biz assets, and I'll put that in a link in Facebook or on LinkedIn for you to have to easily get it. But I want to thank you so much for tuning in to the Ultimate Business Conversation. We discuss things that you don't want to discuss. We have the conversations that business owners don't know they need to have, or they're too afraid to discuss it. So I thank you so much. And remember, you need to create legal and financial systems to protect your business assets. And I want to thank you so much for tuning into the Ultimate Business Conversation with me, Danya Zimmerman, the Powerful Biz Woman. You have a beautiful evening. And we'll be talking about this more on Clubhouse. So you can join us on Clubhouse. It's the Bankrupt Proof Your Biz Clubhouse. If you have the Clubhouse app, you can go ahead and join us on there, and we'll be on at 8:30 p.m. To talk about business owners. Do you have a will, and do you have a exit strategy. So we're going to continue this conversation on Clubhouse at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I want to thank you so much for tuning into the Ultimate Business Conversation with the Powerful Biz Woman. And you have a beautiful evening. Talk to you at 8:30 in Clubhouse if you want to join us.